Hello everyone, Butterflies in Space. Joe here, and today I'm talking about these here men's probiotic. They are they promote your gut health and reduce bloating and gas, relieves constipation and diarrhea, boosts your immune system. 14, it has 14 different probiotic strains. This comes with 90 tablets. It's gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO. Doctor formulated and premium quality, and you take 2 tablets with it when you take it. So you take it with water or juice after a meal. So as you can see, I'm about to take it. So yeah.